Hi, my name is Doreen Wilson. I'd like to welcome you to Bitclub Network and to the group within Bitclub Network who call ourselves the COINheritors. This video is part of a series to help new members of Bitclub Network to orientate themselves to the back office of their account. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to verify your email address, and you would use the same process if you ever wanted to change your email address. To bring your attention to various parts of the slide, I've put in some green arrows. So the one that's got a number 1 marked on the green arrow, please always make sure that the account that you've logged into is the one that you're wanting. There are many people who have multiple accounts. So where arrow number 1 is, it says welcome, and it'll tell you the name of the account that you've logged into. Look at arrow number 2. Along the top bar there, you'll see the words My Account. And if you click on that, the drop-down menu will give you the option to click, please, onto My Profile. This is your profile page. As it opens up, you'll notice at the top on the left is your username. And then if you look a little bit further down, there's an area for your email address. Now, this is not your own email address. This is the email address that was entered by the person who enrolled you. Please don't get too caught up in what they've written. There are reasons for them having entered your email address like that. It really doesn't matter to you because you are about to change it into your own email address. This slide is very busy. I've got circles and I've got arrows. So the first 2 arrows point to your name, your first name and your last name or your surname. Please check whether they've been spelled correctly, or if you're happy with the way they've been put in. They may not even be there. It may just be blank. So please enter your name correctly. Just below that is the area for the email. So whatever's been entered in by somebody else, I'd like you please to delete all of that and to type in your correct email address, please. Now scroll down to the very bottom of that web page, and at the bottom where I've got the green arrows that I've put in, you'll see that there's an area that says security PIN required. If you look at arrow number 1, it's pointing to words saying email new PIN code. Please click on that and then click on the green submit button. This PIN has been sent, and it's been sent to the email that had previously been entered onto your account profile. So very likely that will be the person who set up your account for you, who set up your enrollment for you, so they will receive this email. This email will be received from Bitclub Network and will be titled Bitclub 2FA PIN. When this email is opened, it'll have the code, and there'll also be a note that says that this code can be used multiple times and will expire in 2 hours. So if for some reason you're not able to be sent this code by the person who received the email, you would have to request another code exactly as you just did. It'll be sent to the same email that this one was sent to. The other person should copy this code and send it to you, taking care not to make any errors. You can then enter that code into the area that I've highlighted and click on the green Submit button. And there we go. You've successfully changed your email address. The next time you try and use your account, you will get a notice saying that your new email address needs to be verified. You won't be able to go any further into your account until that's done. So let's get it done now. You don't need anybody else to help you. So your sponsor that sent you the code before, you don't need them anymore. This verification you can do on your own, and I will help you through that. So if you can click, as I'm showing with these green arrows, onto my account, and then on the drop down, if you can select my profile, you are being asked to request a verification code. So that is the area that I've circled. Please click on the green button that says send verification code. This time, the verification code will be sent to the new email address that you entered when you changed your details. So that'll be your own email address. And you're advised, if you don't see the email in your inbox, to have a look at your spam or your junk folder. The email will have come from Bitclub Network, and it'll be titled Bitclub Email Verification. So please open that. This code will expire in a few minutes. Please copy it exactly as you've received it. And if you are using the copy and paste method, please make sure that you don't go beyond the digits. In other words, in this case, there's an R at the beginning and a capital V at the end. If you copy beyond those letters, the blank spaces will be included as part of the copy and paste and will be perceived as an incorrect code. The code will then be rejected. So that's just something to be aware of and to take care that you're quite accurate when copy and pasting. Now you leave your emails and you go back onto the Bitclub Network website, your back office that you've been working on. And at the bottom, where I've got the green arrow, you would insert your code that you got by email, and you click on the button that says Verify Email. In the green bar, you will be notified that your email has been verified, and you have now done the entire process. A lot of people get very confused by this process, and so I've made a point of being extremely detailed, and I hope that you haven't found this too stressful. You'll still be needing to change your password because the person that enrolled you has given you a temporary password, and you'll be wanting to change that into a secure password. There is a separate video available that will show you how to change your password, so please have a look at that. And thank you for joining me on this current video. This is Doreen Wilson saying see you later.